Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we've got something exciting to dive into. A lipstick that promises the ultimate in comfort, color, and luxury. Meet the Pupa Milano Shine Up, lipstick in 004, Walking on the Sand. This is not just any lipstick. It's a formula designed for those who want both high-impact color and all-day comfort. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. This lipstick is all about bringing that balance between bold color and effortless wear. The first thing you'll notice is its ultra lightweight texture, which is a game changer for comfort. If you're like me and you can't stand lip products that feel heavy or drying, this is definitely a formula to pay attention to. It's designed to glide on smoothly without feeling thick, so you can wear it all day long without worrying about your lips feeling parched. Now, let's talk about the color. The shade 004 Walking on the Sand is absolutely gorgeous. It's a soft, warm nude with a hint of peach that gives a natural yet polished look. The color payoff is impressive. You get full coverage in just one swipe, and it's not shy about delivering vibrant, long-lasting color. Whether you're going for a subtle everyday look or something a bit more glamorous, this shade is versatile enough to be dressed up or down. As for the texture, it's silky smooth and velvety, which makes it feel luxurious as it glides over your lips. There's no tugging or dragging, it just melts right on, delivering that buttery smooth finish. The formula is highly concentrated, so you don't need to keep layering to get that intense, full coverage payoff. It's definitely a lipstick that packs a punch in terms of color vibrancy. In terms of wear, the formula is designed to keep your lips feeling plush and comfortable. It's not overly drying, which means you won't be dealing with cracked lips by the end of the day. I did find that it holds up pretty well through eating and drinking, but as with most lipsticks, a touch-up is needed after a few hours to maintain that freshly applied look. But considering how comfortable it feels, that's a small price to pay for all-day wear. When it comes to the build quality, I have to mention that Pupa Milano definitely knows how to create luxe packaging. The sleek, compact design feels high-end and makes this lipstick feel like a little treat every time you use it. As for value for money, this is where the question might come in. At its price point, you're paying for that luxury Italian craftsmanship in the formula, which feels top-notch in quality. If you're someone who loves high-performance lip products that give you both comfort and color, it's definitely worth the investment. However, if you're more of a budget shopper, there are other options out there that might be better suited to your needs. Alternatives. If the price is a concern for you, there are plenty of other lipsticks on the market that deliver similar results at a lower price point. Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer creamy formulas with a similar feel, though you might sacrifice a bit of that Italian luxury. Final thoughts. This lipstick has certainly earned a spot in my collection. It delivers on comfort, color payoff, and overall performance. The 004 Walking on the Sand shade is a fantastic nude that works across skin tones and can take you from day to night without skipping a beat. Whether you're all about luxury or just want something that feels as good as it looks, this one's a keeper. Is this review helpful to you? If so, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more honest reviews like this. Your support really helps us continue bringing you all the latest beauty finds. And of course, thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this lipstick in the description or comments below. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.